This is the second part of chapter 1 for my video on fanatical prospecting. So on this video, we're going to talk about what superstar prospectors are. So superstar prospectors do not make excuses. They do not procrastinate. They do not whine. They do not live in fear. They prospect when times are good. They prospect when times are bad. You always have a pocket full of business cards with you when you are prospecting, or actually so you can prospect at any time. Basically, the number one reason for failure in this business is a lack of a full pipeline. A lot of times realtors will prospect for a little bit and get busy, just quit prospecting, so they experience those ups and downs, that roller coaster. So one thing about prospectors, it's a mindset shift, and it's a lifestyle. Are you a superstar? Are you a bad prospector? Are you a good prospector? Are you mediocre? So think about how you prospect, or if you prospect, but you can make a lot of money with prospecting. I hope that helps, and I hope to see you on chapter 2.